This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive.
You bad, cause it's bit bad. She want me the bag, like chips at the front. Lift up, I'm fly like a pelic in my bed. I like get my way, hella quick. They get the pop up on the elephant cut. My trunk, yeah, it's in the front. Of course, it's in the back. This a big, this a real big difference. You just want a club. I just need them racks. You just want a party, so I just want a rock star.
This is Jay with Car Guys New England, and today we have an unboxing video for the new dual Hotlicks exhaust flamethrower kit that's going to go into the Lamborghini. But let's open this up and go through the contents of this package. Okay, so it came in a United States Postal Service box, and I already kind of cracked this open. So let's see what was included in this package. And we have this box, Hotlicks exhaust. And let's take a look what's in this box. Okay, and in this box, some foam and all the goodies, and it looks like comes with instructions, and it comes with a sticker. Maybe I'll stick that right back here on the Lambo. Just kidding. But anyways, let's take a look at what we got. So this is what the kit comes with. It comes with two different wires for the spark plugs, an activation switch is included, bungs for the exhaust that can be welded on, also just some miscellaneous screws and connectors. A power wire, it looks like, for the modules. These are the modules. So we have those. And, yeah. So those have what it looks like, wires to that. And then probably, I got to read the instructions, but this terminal probably goes to the spark plug wires. So we have that. And also the kit comes with some hot spark plugs, and these are Autolites. So that's pretty much the kit. Depending on a few things, I may end up needing longer wires for that, depending on where I put the modules, but that is what's included here. And we will end up doing a separate video to show the installation of it in this particular car. So folks, that's what's included in the Hotlicks exhaust kit. Hope you found this video informative and interesting. Again, we're going to be doing a install video of it in the Lamborghini soon, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give the video a like. If you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.